I have a Friendsgiving to go to tomorrow. I might have overcommitted myself a little bit. We've got a lot to do today. I'm not gonna let this get to me. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, I am in the middle of the living room painting project. Lots of things going on at once. This is almost done, but I have a Friendsgiving to go to tomorrow. If you don't know what that is, that's basically a Thanksgiving dinner that my friends throwing just for friends. You know, most people do Thanksgiving with their family. So they do Friendsgiving on a different night, and I have a friend who's throwing one tomorrow, and it's kind of a potluck style. I'm excited. Should be really fun. But that means I need to prepare for that, and I said I'd help her out a little bit with setting up and stuff, which I am doing tonight. I might have overcommitted myself a little bit, but we're gonna get it done. I was kind of flipping through recipes. I found two pie recipes that I really wanted to try. One's like fruit-based and the other one's a little bit more rich. They should be pretty easy. They're a little time-consuming, but not like difficult recipes. It's more of like just having to like let things sit for a while. So I wanted to get started with that today. And I said I would make a stuffing because I want to contribute to the actual dinner, you know, not just desserts. You know me, I have to go above and beyond constantly. Anyway, there's a lot going on. I'm getting an early start this morning. I need to walk Scout still, and then I need to run to the grocery store and pick up everything for these pies so that I can get started early and I can kind of hopefully get the pies done today and focus on the stuffing tomorrow so I'm not just like crazy overwhelmed tomorrow. So that's the plan. And I need to finish the paint project, which you'll probably have seen at this point by now. There's a lot going on. So let's walk the girl, get to the grocery store, and start making these pies. Hold on. I'll let her have some privacy while she does her business. It is the perfect autumn morning in LA. A little chilly, sun's out. Perfect. All right, grocery store time. Let's go. All right, we got all of our grocery shopping done. The first thing that needs to get done right now, because it kind of has to go in the fridge for a couple hours before I can use it, is that I have to make these pie crusts. So, pretty simple recipe. Just gonna get those made real quick so they can go into the fridge, and then we can work on other things throughout the day while that's chilling. The pies are, like I said, it's not a hard recipe. It's just one of those things that takes a lot of time because you have to like par bake, and then you have to like let it sit and cool before you do the next step. There's just a lot of things in between. So it's gonna take most of the day, but the actual making of it is not that difficult. At least, I mean, this is the first time I made these recipes. I'm gonna go ahead and link all of the recipes that I'm using down below because none of these are my recipes, and I'm gonna give full credit to everybody who actually made these recipes. So anyway, let's make some pie crust. 2 pie crusts. Get nearly as much as I wanted to get done with these today, but that's okay. I can still make the cranberry for one of them tonight because that needs to cool completely and it can sit. But right now, I told my friend I would help her set up for tomorrow night. And I have the big table that I constructed last year for my big dinner party I said she can use, so I have to get that all loaded up into the truck right now so that I can take it over to her. So let's do that, and hopefully I get back with enough time to at least make the cranberry sauce before I go to bed. We are all loaded up. I went ahead and ripped down some 1x2 that I just had laying down there in my garage. She said her table was at like 30 inches and mine's at 31, and I made my table to match my table, so we're gonna try to level it out and see. I just brought some options because I don't want to get over there and just not have options because I know she's not gonna have any tools or anything like that. So I think I have all the tools that I'm gonna need and all of the pieces. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna head on over. All right, got that done. Started setting up the table with her, and we kind of realized that she doesn't have much of like a centerpiece or something for that. But I have a bunch of fall decor that I'm gonna be, breaking down in the next couple of days to start doing holiday stuff. So I think I'm gonna give her some options, bring some stuff tomorrow so you can create some kind of a centerpiece with like all these autumn florals and pumpkins and stuff that I have. So I need to remember to do that. I think before I go to bed, one of the pies I'm doing calls for, it's like a cranberry meringue that I'm going to be doing, but I need to make a cranberry sauce that needs to cool. So that shouldn't take, honestly, it's really just putting everything in a pot and boiling it and then letting it boil and simmer for 10 minutes and then straining it. So I'm gonna do that so it will be completely cool and ready to use tomorrow. I'm just trying to make my life as easy as possible tomorrow because I didn't get quite as far as I wanted to today. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to bed. All right. Bedtime. We have a lot to get done tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, good morning. We've got a lot to do today. So I don't have time really to even stand here and chat. If I can get both of the pies completed, it's early, so if I can get both of the pies completed, which is really just about chilling by noon, then I should be good. I'm gonna do the stuffing too, but the stuffing I don't think will take as long. The pies obviously just need time to sit and set. Let me throw on my apron. I'm gonna start with a citrus curd. Got a lot to do today. Let's go. Now that the pies, I think, are in a pretty good place, they're chilling. We just need to really do the toppings for those. One's a meringue and one's like a whipped cream, but I'll do those closer to the actual time I'm gonna take them over there. I haven't started the stuffing yet, and I've never made a stuffing from scratch, so this should be new for everybody. I have 2 baguettes. I don't have the time, obviously, for them to dry out, so I'm gonna cut them into cubes and throw them on low in the oven and kind of dry them out rapidly. So let's do that first. I definitely should have done the rest of that loaf because this is really like sausage with some stuffing in it, but that's okay. It's gonna taste great no matter what. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven, making great time. Knock on wood. I am scrapping the chess pie because I don't know what's wrong with this recipe. I have tried this now actually twice. This is my second round. And I did I did a lot of research. I was like, maybe my ingredients weren't like fully at room temp, or maybe I just need to bake longer. I don't know. The recipe is off or something. He even has a video on it, and it does not come out anywhere near what the video is doing. I have no idea what's wrong with it, but I'm not going to stress out about it because I have another pie, and the stuffing's good. I hate when recipes don't work out, but at this point, there's nothing I can do. I've tried baking it longer. I let the first one sit, and really, I was like, maybe it just needs to solidify, and it never solidified. It was just liquid. It stayed liquid. So, whatever. I'm just gonna let it go because sometimes I really let baking get to me, and I'm gonna have a good day. I'm not gonna let this get to me. And the other one will be great. So, I'm done, and I have an hour to spare, which is great, but I would not say today was one of my more successful days in the kitchen. The pie that did at least make it to the end, I mean, it looks fine. It's not one of my prouder moments. Actually, the stuffing is the thing that I think is probably the most successful out of all the recipes, which is wild because I had no idea what I was doing. But we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready, and I need to grab a couple things because I said I'd help her with that centerpiece thing. Then I can start loading up and head that way. It's been a long day. All right. Right, get the pie, and we are ready to go.
Bella made the rice.
Guys, I made the rice.
Oh, really?
Please let me know how you like it. I flavored it a little bit.
Wait, you made rice?
Thank you guys for coming to my Friendsgiving and my housewarming. I just want to say thank you for everyone who flew out, who drove over, and for my California besties you guys are the reason why I actually have a dining table.
And the chairs.
Shout out to you guys, love you.
Period.
And the
This
thank
part.
you everyone for coming. And if anyone has
Yes.
any questions, Designing the Dream built my dining table.
I'll drink to that.